Hi, and a very warm welcome. My name is Vikram Goyal, and I'm Product Line Manager for ZENworks at Micro Focus. I'm here to talk about your ZENworks upgrade. The first question comes in, why upgrade at all? There are some very good reasons to upgrade. The first being to take advantage of new capabilities available in newer versions. By being on latest version of ZENworks, you can take advantage of new capabilities which are available. Depending upon how far behind is your ZENworks version, an upgrade to latest version can mean over 100 plus new, big, and small enhancements. With these many enhancements, you may just find the one you have always wanted. So let's talk about few features which are present in latest versions of ZENworks. We introduced an integrated anti-malware solution built right into ZENworks Endpoint Security Management in ZENworks 2020 Update 2. This solution provides centrally administered, policy-configured protection against known and unknown malware threats like viruses, worms, trojans through on-access and on-demand scanning of files, boot sectors, registry, and memory. It does this using proven detection technologies with help of industry-leading anti-malware engine. It also provides centralized monitoring of detected malware threats as well as the current malware status of endpoints. In ZENworks 2020 Update 2, we introduced the ability to manage Windows devices via the built-in MDM agent. This can be used to manage such devices via ZENworks in an agentless manner. However, this is not all. With this, there's also built-in support for Windows Autopilot, which allows an end user sitting in their home to take a shrink-wrap device and have it automatically enroll into ZENworks via Windows MDM without an IT administrator ever needing to touch the device. Post this, even ZENworks agent can be automatically deployed on these devices, thus allowing you to leverage best of both MDM and ZENworks agent. We introduced dashboards to view relevant data in ZENworks 2017 Update 3, and they have been continuously improved and expanded upon. There are now dashboards to track devices, bundles, patches, and more. All these dashboards can be drilled in to get more details. Options exist to choose different filters and columns so that you can see the data you are looking for. Finally, once you have the right data, you can then take relevant actions right from there. You need to keep up with newer OS versions. With every new ZENworks release, we bring in support for new versions of operating systems your devices may be having. This ranges from supporting newer versions of macOS, Android, iOS, SUSE, Windows, RHL, and even new platforms like CentOS or OpenSUSE. This ensures that you're able to move your endpoint estate to newer and more secure OS versions as they are released. Let's talk about need to stay secure. Since ZENworks Console is a gateway to all your devices, it is imperative to make sure that it is guarded appropriately. In latest releases, we have brought in support for multi-factor authentication for ZCC. We have enhanced the security posture of primary servers in DMC and ensured that devices communicate with servers only over SSL with newer ways to secure device registration itself so that no errant device gets into your zone. Lastly, why staying supported is such a good thing. In today's world, where malicious users are constantly looking out to exploit vulnerabilities, it is critically important to ensure that your ZENworks installation is under committed support, as it entitles you to security fixes and defect fixes. However, at this time, ZENworks 11, all versions of ZENworks 2017, ZENworks 2020, and ZENworks 2020 Update 1 are out of committed support and are on extended support. This means that you have to be on ZENworks 2020 Update 2 to get any security or defect fixes. Additionally, if your ZENworks installation is using Sybase as a DB, we no longer support it. We also have some significant breaking changes coming in the way Android devices are managed, and a fix for this would only be available for customers on ZENworks 2020 Update 2. Good thing to know is that any customer with an active support contract has free access to latest version of ZENworks and can upgrade their installation to latest version to get all the support. So if you're ready to upgrade, let's talk about how to upgrade. There are different upgrade paths for primary servers and managed devices. Let's talk about primary servers. If you're on any version of ZENworks 2017, that means either 2017 itself, update 1, 2, 3, or 4, you can directly upgrade your primary server to ZENworks 2020 using either the media installer, or if you're running ZENworks 2017 appliance, by migrating to ZENworks 2020 appliance. Once all your primary servers are on ZENworks 2020, you can then skip ZENworks 2020 update 1 and directly upgrade your primary servers to ZENworks 2020 update 2. The same is applicable if you are on ZENworks 2020 update 1. Thus, there are two hops to come from ZENworks 2017 to ZENworks 2020 update 2, and a single hop if you're on ZENworks 2020 or update 1. Once your primary servers are on ZENworks 2020 update 2, then in fall of 2022, when we release ZENworks 2020 update 3, you can just perform a system update to be on the latest version of ZENworks. While upgrading primary servers can be a two-step process, upgrading managed devices is a straightforward task. We support direct upgrade of devices right from 11.4x to latest ZENworks version, be it ZENworks 2020 update 2 or update 3. So now you know the why and what. What's next? Any upgrade should start with a plan. You should involve the stakeholders and decide on when and how of upgrade. You can use ZENworks Lookbook, which provides you details of all the resources which are available for your use. You can make use of our excellent community site where everyone gathers together to help each other out. So go ahead and start your ZENworks upgrade today.